Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use FocusFlight. In order to do so, here we are at the App Store, and this is where you can find FocusFlight, a deep focus timer. Take off into deep focus. Take off into focus, fly through tasks and land achievements, track your focus through the sleek window view, lock in your focus, activate airplane mode to block distractions and stay in control of your time. Choose your map, choose your journey, 3D satellite and classic map, live activities, fly through tasks and land achievements, standby and widgets. Personalized FocusFlight. Book custom focus flights anytime, set your preferred focus duration and type and embark on a productive journey with a ritualistic touch. Activate airplane mode to enter in a distraction-free environment. Tag each focus flight with specific categories, track different types of focus sessions, and visualize your progress with detailed insights. Select different focus types through seat options, tailoring your experience for tasks like studying, working, or reading. Convert your focus time into completed virtual routes and unlock new cities with every session. Set up custom reminders based on your habits with gentle nudges to keep you on track. Earn badges and accumulate flight miles after each focus session, boosting your motivation and providing a sense of accomplishment. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, head over to the App Store and search for FocusFlight to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. And don't forget to check out our YouTube playlist that will tell you everything you need to know about Cintra to help you get started. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.